Welcome to Buy Your Ride, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with keyless entry, air conditioning, power windows, side airbags, power door locks, head airbags, alarm, dual front airbags, tilt steering wheel, and much more. Family-owned Buy Your Ride in Simi Valley is the best place for purchasing pre-owned vehicles or using our auto broker service for new or used cars, trucks, or SUVs of any make and model. We pride ourselves on great deals on quality vehicles with straightforward pricing, so you know you're getting a great ride for the best price. For us, it's not about one deal, it's about the relationship with our customers. We treat you right so you'll come back, and our 5-star reviews show that we mean it. So give us a call or stop by today. Whether you want to buy, lease, or sell a car, Buy Your Ride is the best place for you.